Welcome to 28 Margaret Drive. It's in East Windsor, Connecticut. A wonderful property. This is a ranch. It has 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a real beautiful fireplace, an open picture window that lets in plenty of light. Inside, you'll notice that this house comes fully equipped with appliances. You have a beautiful kitchen area with wonderful woodwork, nice wood flooring. If you want to be among the first to receive photos, email us at team@teamgabriel.net or call me directly, 860-698-4666. See you soon.